Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yes, today's video is very special. The best FDN 3D printer is finally here in India, the BambuLab X1 Carbon Combo. This is the first unboxing of X1 Carbon Combo in India. Let's get started. In this video, I will walk you through my unboxing journey of this awesome 3D printer. We'll share few tips along the way, and at the end we'll share a very important tips about this printer. So stay tuned. Well, the packaging is little different from any other 3D printers, but it's very intuitive one. The printer is packed inside this heavy duty plastic which is strapped to the side of the box. You just take them out and grab the plastic and lift off the entire printer. Don't worry, it don't fall down. You can take the help of this plastic to get your printer out. In the box with the printer, you will get 3 sample filament roll of 250 gram each, one green PLA, one black PLA carbon fiber, and a roll of support filament for PLA. Once you have taken out the plastic from the front lid, you have to do the same for the top glass. But be cautious, the top glass is not attached to the printer, so take it out aside and then carefully remove the plastic. Okay, let's see what else we have inside the printer. We have an accessories box. Let's take it out and see what we have inside it. Okay, first we got the spool holder. We got the power cable for the printer. These two cables are to connect the AMS unit. We have a glue stick, some manual, and we got a spare hot end nozzle of 0.4 mm. That's nice. Here is the LCD screen. This looks really nice. And also we got some spare parts like cutters and rollers and some wrenches. You probably have a lot of these things with you if you have a 3D printer. Now we can see the AMS unit inside the printer. This AMS unit is a genius invention from BambuLab. It helps to load and unload up to 4 filaments automatically to change color while printing. Now before you take out the AMS unit, don't forget to take these 2 screws out from the front. These are marked with the red arrows that help the AMS unit stay in place while in transport. Again, you have to take few more screws out which are marked again with these red arrows. While attaching the screen, make sure the SD card slot is at the right. Now just attach the cable at the back, then put the screen into the slide and then slide it to the left to lock it in place. Now we have to connect the AMS unit with the printer. Connect the PTFE tube of the AMS unit with the AMS hub at the back of the printer. Now you will need the 2 power cables you got in the accessories box. The shorter one connects the AMS hub with the printer and the longer one connects the AMS with the AMS hub. Before you switch on the printer, the last things you have to do is to remove these 3 screws which are again marked with red arrows. These screws used to hold the print bed in place while the printer was in transport. Lastly, don't forget to remove the silica packs. Get it out of the plastic and again put it back in. These will help to keep your filaments dry inside the AMS. Finally, it's time to switch on your BambuLab X1 Carbon. You have to go through few settings at the start before your printer is ready to print. You have to connect it to the Wi-Fi. It will do some initial calibration and you might see a firmware upgrade. Do upgrade the firmware to the latest one before you start your first print. When the calibration begins, the print bed will come up. At that time, you can remove the remaining foams inside the printer. Now it's the time to share an important tips. This printer prints so fast that it needs to adjust itself with the vibration while printing so that no error occurs at the time of prints. That's why it's very important to keep the printer in a hard and steady table. The table you see currently in my video is not a very good one, and it was vibrating a lot when I gave my first print, and due to that the print was failing. After a lot of troubleshoot, I figured this issue and immediately shifted it to a much harder table and never faced any issue with the printer again. Okay, you are all set now. Put a filament into the AMS and enjoy your first print. Yes, literally you will enjoy your first print. Believe me, the speed and the quality of this printer will blow your minds away. Hey, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, do hit the like button and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video and feel free to leave your thoughts and comments below. See you soon.